Everything.
Hey guys, here at A3 Customs. This morning, Tanner, crazy guy, is putting the Aces kit on a Monte Carlo. We have removed a lot of stuff off of it, emission-wise. He cleaned up the wiring harness. We'll show you when it's finished. He's removing all the heater lines, all that rusted heater line stuff. We're gonna wrap all new lines and hoses. He's kind of already started. You can see right here where we mounted the regulator. And the lines are made for the regulator. He's cleaning up under here now, trying to get it all wrapped and everything. He's pretty much done. This thing, weird fun fact here, on these Monte Carlos, for whatever reason, on the smog pump, this bracket here, this plate that's right here, he actually made the plate, but there's a bracket up under here, and it actually holds the smog pump, and the holes was almost perfect for him to mount the regulator right there, and it looked super tricky. So he was able to run the lines out of the frame right there and the return line right out of the frame, come up with the AN fittings, plumb it up right there. All we got to do is go back there now, mount a fuel pump, push fuel up here, we can hit the regulator right here, know exactly what we're doing. Goes right into the Aces kit, fires his car off, and we'll make it run. So he is trying to finish up now the electrical, the spark plug wires, this and that, waiting on spark plugs to come in, and then he's going to wrap and tuck all the extra wires that's hanging around. So I was trying to give you a before. This is kind of how it was really bad, but this is what he's removed so far. Now we're going through and tucking everything, and he's going to wrap all these hoses, replace all the heater hoses, and get rid of all the emission vacuum tube port stuff, and clean it up real nice. Then we'll pressure wash everything, make it look really good, and be another successful Aces kit. Man, I'm telling you, these kits are awesome. So always bet on Aces.